I heard from our fearless leader that a 9mm is a high-powered round and can take the lungs right out of a body. What we want to do is see, is that really true? So we're going to find out right now. Well, that 9mm was very unimpressive. We were also told, instead of buying a 9mm, we should get a shotgun. So I did. Seems like a great recommendation. I bought a shotgun. Let's see how this works out. Wow, I think the lungs came out of that one.
I like it.
Welcome back to Midwest Magnum. I'm Kurt. Today we were going to do a review, but it's like 95 degrees out here, so we just decided we were going to have fun.
On a day that's this hot, you got to prevent chafing.
Yeah, buddy.
The two targets on the left are with number 8 target load. The two targets on the right will be double odd buck. 3, 2, 1. Did you shoot the can first?
Yeah, that was my fault. Mechanical offset is a thing.
Three, 2, 1.
Nice.
Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the alerts so that you don't miss any of our future videos. And by the way, that logo right there, you can click that to subscribe. So show us how good your aim is. That logo right there, that one. Go ahead, click it.